In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank deposit payment method in Shopify. This guide is perfect for the year 2025, so if you're looking to offer your customers more flexibility in how they pay, you're in the right place. Adding a bank deposit option can be an excellent way to cater to customers who prefer traditional banking transactions over digital payments or credit cards. It's straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure it's just as easy for you. Let's start by heading to the Shopify homepage. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Navigating this dashboard is crucial as it's your central hub for managing various settings on your Shopify store. Once you're there, look to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see the Settings option. This area is essentially where you can customize various aspects of your store, from payment options to shipping preferences. After clicking on Settings, you'll see a menu unfold with a list of categories. You need to click on Payments, which is the section where you manage all your financial interactions within Shopify. This will take you to a page that lists all available payment methods and settings for your store. It's a crucial spot because it ensures that you can cater to different preferences your shoppers might have. Now scroll down the payment settings page until you find the manual payment methods section. This is the area where you can add payment methods that aren't automatically processed by Shopify itself, like a bank deposit. Click on it and you'll be presented with options for adding various manual methods. Once you're in the manual payment methods section, look for the option that says bank deposit. Click on that to proceed to the next step. It's a popular choice for businesses aiming to provide alternatives to online payments, and it signals to your customers that they can directly transfer funds to complete a purchase. Now that you've selected the bank deposit option, it's time to enter your additional details and payment instructions. This might include the bank's name, account number, and any specific instructions your customers should follow when making a deposit. The clearer and more thorough you are with these instructions, the smoother the transaction process will be for your users. Finally, once you've entered all necessary information, look for the Activate Bank Deposit button and give it a click. By doing this, you're essentially turning on this payment method, making it visible and usable for your customers at checkout. And there you have it. You've successfully added a bank deposit payment option to your Shopify store. This feature can help expand your payment offerings, potentially increasing sales by addressing a wider range of customer payment preferences. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with Shopify.